We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee, her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a simple banana pudding, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing y'all a glimpse of our ingredients except for the vanilla extract. Okay y'all, let's get to making our banana pudding. Here in my large bowl, we're going to cream our cream cheese and we're going to whip it up until it becomes, fluffy. Make sure it's room temperature. I mixed it for 1.5 minutes on high speed. This is the creaminess that we're looking for. Now we're adding in our sweetened condensed milk. Now we're adding in our vanilla instant pudding mix. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Our milk. And we're going to mix this all together until it becomes slightly thick. I mixed this for at least 5 minutes. Here I'm showing you that it has slightly thickened, and it's going to continue to thicken as we prepare our filling. Here we're adding our whipped topping. I bought a large container so I can use half for our recipe and then half for the topping. That's if you prefer the topping on yours. During this next step, we don't need a mixer. What we're going to do, we're going to fold in the whipped topping. Make sure it is well mixed in. And this is what we're looking for. Now let's put our banana pudding together. We're starting off by layering our cookies at the bottom of our bowl. Now a layer of filling. Now some more cookies, and we're going to place these around our bowl. Here I'm adding just a little more filling just so that the filling can cover the cookies at least halfway. Now we're placing in our bananas, and now another layer of our cookies. And we're going to continue to layer our banana pudding until we're all done. We're going to speed this up a little bit, and then we're going to be right back. Letting y'all know, if you do not like bananas, you can use the banana cream pudding, or you can layer it with half of bananas on one side and the other half without. Just make this recipe yours. Okay, y'all, this is the end result of our banana pudding, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator covered. I covered mine with foil, and we're going to let it sit for 1 hour. Or you can do it ahead of time. If you want to do it a day before, you can. But what I did, I let it sit for 30 minutes in the fridge, and then I removed my foil, and then I served it up. And I'm going to show y'all just how I did it. I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I serve this up. Y'all, this banana pudding is so delicious. Here I'm showing you how I whip up my whipped topping in my bowl so you can, serve it with a dollop of whipped topping. Here I'm placing our banana pudding in our little sundae bowl. Y'all, this banana pudding is so delicious. I had to tell y'all twice. I'm sorry. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I want to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!